Alright, so real quick, here we have the old sway bar end links. So this one was cracked. New metal cloak. So as you can see, a little bit of a difference in length. These are all the parts that come with it. It's got the new quick disconnect clips for the end, the 2 links, 2 new pins for the quick disconnect, and these are the brackets that would mount up on the frame of the Jeep for when you disconnect them to hinge up, and then it'll go over here and clip in place. Today we're just gonna do these quick. It won't stop raining. These are adjusted to 12.25 inches. These are the ones that I got. They do make a longer version for a little bit taller lift. These are the ones that they recommended when I asked them which one for the 4.5 inch lift kit of theirs. Let's get to it. This one I already got the top loosened up. The bottom, I can get in there. That's where I had the pin fall out, which the bushing on that link is actually wore out and cracked anyway, so time for a new set. This was the set that came with the original Rough Country kit that we first had on the Jeep. So they're not even the right length anyways. I don't know if we can see in there, but the bushing is cracked, if I can get it to focus. This side's going to be the hardest because I have the bracket that moves the track bar up, and it actually relocates the pin for the quick disconnect on the sway bar link, and the nut on the back of it is a pain in the butt to get to. Sometimes you gotta get a little creative. Tight places are always fun. Goodness. Finally. Success. Time to put the new one on. Here we have the new one. Custom tool. Hopefully it still fits. Yes. And begin. There we have it. So down here, if you did not have a raised track bar, right here where this bushing is, this is the original mount, and your pin would actually be facing inward rather than out like it is here, just for reference. Now I just gotta put the new sway bar end link on and get everything put back together. Now just be sure that you are on level ground when you're raising this back up to connect it down here, otherwise you'll have a lot of problems trying to get both sides connected. You'll be able to get one side, but the other side will be off just because of the twist. So level ground, and then you should be good. They should line up pretty easy. Just like that, it's on. I have a pin to put in it. Here's the quick pin. And there, this side's done. I'll just repeat on the other side, and this process is done. This kit also does come with this bracket. This you can mount wherever it's gonna make sense and not interfere with your sway bar. It can probably even go up here. You'll have to play around with it. The instructions say wherever it fits. So then when you disconnect, wherever this is mounted up on your frame, you would disconnect down here at your pin, and then you can raise this arm all the way up and fold it up, and then it will go in place here. That's it for this install. Leave this nut loose after you make your adjustment to the 12.25 inches. That way when you're installing, you can have a little bit of room to make sure these line up in the correct spot. After everything's installed, then you can go ahead and tighten the jam nut back up on both sides. Make sure everything's tight, and you should be good to take off. So there you have it. That was another install, quick and easy. Anybody can do this job. It's pretty quick. You can have it done in probably about 20 minutes. If you kind of know what you're doing, you're good with tools. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll continue to provide more content. Got a lot to do to the Jeep still, so stay tuned, keep watching, help support us. Please subscribe. Until next time.